Welcome! Here's our first tutorial on how to teach a canon. We'll start by teaching the single line melody first. Remember that we want to give our singers at least 4 opportunities to hear the song before we have any expectation that they will sing it. And the way that we do this is we teach the song through English language arts. So we have to look at the words to our song and figure out what English language concepts can we ask questions about that they can be thinking about while they're integrating melody, pitch, rhythm, harmony, audiating the harmony and the words, so they can bring that together before we expect them to put it all together and sing it back to us. So I will model that for you. There's a piano next door. I have a song for you. Please be ready to answer this question. What did you hear when I'm done singing? Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. What did you hear? Some answers might be you heard the name Whittington. You heard it's something about London, it's about the mayor of London. Some of the singers are going to say, I heard high pitches and low pitches. So some of them are going to give you musical answers, which is perfectly fine. After you've collected the open-ended question, what did you hear? You can either select one of those to move forward, or you can start with the prompts that you have already figured out. So here's one of my English language arts prompts. Listen to the song again and raise your hand when you hear the name of the person that we're singing about. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Great. How many times did we sing Whittington? Turn again, Whittington, thou citizen, Lord Mayor of London. How many times? 1. How many sounds does the word Whittington have in it? Whittington. 3. See if you can tap the sounds of the word while I sing the song. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Do the same thing, and this time think about what kind of guy is Whittington? What is the song telling us about Whittington? Here I go, turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. What are some answers I'm going to get? Who is Whittington? I think he's the Lord of London. I think he's the mayor. He must be a good guy because they say he's worthy and he's a citizen, so he's somebody that contributes to the community. So it turns out that Whittington was a real person. His name was Richard Whittington, and he did live in London in the 1300s. And when he was in London, he thought, things weren't really working out very well, and he thought that he was going to leave. And so as he left London, because he thought he couldn't make his fortune, he got to the top of a hill and he heard the bells. And the bells rang and he heard, turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. And the bells spoke to him and he turned around, turned again, and he went back. And he was elected Mayor of London, not once, not twice, but thrice. So now that the singers have been immersed in the song and in the story of the song, they've been immersed in it through English language arts, now I can expect, after several listenings, that they'll be able to echo. So my next process is to jump right into echo phrases. So I say, let's learn the song. Be my echo. Turn again, Whittington. Thou worthy citizen. Lord London. Great. Now this time I'm going to make the phrases longer. Here I go. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen. Thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Great. I'm going to sing the whole song for you once again. Press record in your brain. Here I go, turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Ready and sing with me, turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Sing it without my help. 1, 2, here you go. Great. Let's do it again. This time you sing the song 2 times in a row on your own, and I'm going to do something different. One, two, sing. Turn again, Whittington. Turn again, Whittington. Thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Turn again, Whittington. Thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Great! Now this time, let's switch jobs. I'll start, and you echo me. Here I go. Turn again, Whittington. Thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Turn again, Whittington. Thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Lord Mayor of London. Great. So now, at this point, I can divide the class into 2 parts and take myself out of the singing and have them perform the canon without my help. So this side of the room, please sing first. This side of the room, please sing second. Check your tuning fork, give a pitch, bring them in, and conduct their performance.